Welcome back everybody, and to all the new faces joining, welcome. I'm Barry Mountford. If you like photography tutorials, behind the scenes and reviews, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a nice, easy and quick setup for product and pack shots using continuous light. So if you're somebody who likes the simplicity of continuous light, this video is for you. So before we get into shooting some products, let's take a look at the actual lights we're going to be using for this setup. We'll be using the PiXAPRO GLOWPAD 350D. Comes in two versions, and for this setup we'll be using the bi-colour version, but it also comes in a single daylight balanced version. Now the GLOWPAD produces a beautiful soft quality of light, both perfect for product photography and portraits. With the tilt head, lets you mount the GLOWPAD to any light stand, allowing you to adjust the tilt position of the light, and with two battery plates, allowing you to use two Sony MPF rechargeable batteries, giving you the freedom to take them anywhere, or like me, if you work in the studio, simply plugging them into the mains. Videographers don't feel left out. These are perfect for video too. I'm actually using two right now to video this talking headshot, and you can see the quality of light it's producing. The LEDs are packed in super tight, producing a lovely quality of light from these thin, portable, lightweight panels. We'll also be using the RICO240 ring light, another versatile continuous light from PiXAPRO, both great for portraits and videos. And combining both for this setup will make for some really quick and easy pack shots. So let's get into the setup and shoot some products. To make this easy, we'll be using the tabletop stand from PiXAPRO, and I'll be using a white acrylic sheet for the backdrop, which I've picked up from a local plastic centre. Now there are lots of these plastic centres dotted around the country, so you will be able to pick up these acrylic sheets in various different colours. The one I'm using's got a nice high gloss sheen to it, so I can get that nice reflection of the product in the image. If you don't have a dedicated shooting space, this is a really easy and portable setup which you can set up in your living room, on a kitchen bench, anywhere that has a flat surface. So now we've got our background and lights set up, let's bring in some products and start shooting some photos. There you see we're set up with the 350 glow pads either side, lighting the background, and we have the ring light lighting our product. Now you can actually mix this up and switch it about. You can just use the two glow pads, or you can use the ring light by itself. I've set the lights up like this to get a nice high key clean white background, so that's what we're going to be doing in this session. As you can see from this image here, this is a clean white pack shot with a nice pure white background. A couple of little touches up and then it is ready for the website. So that was the setup from that shot. So here are a few more images using the same setup. So there you go folks, that was the super easy setup for product pack shots. If you want to check out any of the gear, all links will be in the description below. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video folks, I hope you found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and flick the notification bell so you can see when more videos like this are posted. And I'll see you folks in the next one. See you then.